Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V40 SE, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to the settings there in the right upper corner, and here the second toggle is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option like to use, and now let's tap on the shutter button. From now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn this option off, enter the settings and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.